It's 8:30 in the morning and I'm going for my breakfast. I just woke up some time back. Nice.
ये लो खाओ और अपने बच्चों को भी खिलाओ ताकि वो हरी भरी पोटी करे.
It has been a good day so far. And I'm done with breakfast. I'm going back to my room and I'll tell you my plans later. Isn't he cute? What are you trying to say? Yeah. I understand you, bro. So sweet people. They have 6 newborn
Puppies.
Yeah, there are 6 newborn puppies and they're very cute. That's it. We are done with breakfast. We are done playing with the dog. Now we're going to go to the room, freshen up, change and leave for the next destination. So that's the BMW R1200. That's the Ducati, Hayabusa and Harley Davidson. So it was not that it was a clickbait.
Yeah.
We know who Danny is. Danny is the owner of this one, BMW R1200. Ducati. I don't know his name. I forgot his name.
Shrikant or
Srinivas. I don't know. I think that belongs to Srinivas.
Srinivas Iyengar. Yeah.
Maybe. Not Iyengar.
It's not Iyengar.
Bye bye. You got to do it like this. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. I guess it is time for us to leave right now. There was a little change in plans. We were supposed to go to some other destination as well, but due to some issues we had to cancel that. अभी हम लोग वापस मुंबई जा रहे हैं. We just took a break because the view is good. Have a look. We just stopped for our lunch. I don't know the name of the restaurant. Let me see. The drive was good so far. The roads are beautiful. Like so. We are 140, right? We are 140 kilometers before our destination, Mumbai. Yeah, that's it for now. Stopped for a coffee break.
Again, you will get yelled at.
The same place we stopped in the morning yesterday. Food Max. ये कमीने ने बड़े प्यार से नाइट ड्राइविंग शुरू होते ही मेरे को गाड़ी दे दिया. So we are in JBL Toy और बहुत ट्रैफिक है.